think po yung alam ko na gesture ni Boy is yung kapag nagbabaw siya, nanghihingi siya ng pets or a reward, parang reward for helping out.
And they also say na parang sometimes action speaks louder than words. Doing this film, parang do you agree with that? And kayo ba as a love team, are there moments when you feel like not really talking too much or just laughing out the noise? Parang na mas okay yung silence?
Yes po, sometimes actions do speak louder than words kasi if salungat naman yung ginagawa mo sa sinasabi mo, then it's really not true. Tapos, during shooting po with Rabbit, nakikita ko po talaga sa kanya si Boy. Because every time nag-act kami, para talaga siyang walang alam sa buhay, parang hindi siya marunong magsalita. Tapos, maaawa ka talaga sa kanya. You would feel the responsibility to try and teach him, to try and help him. Tapos, yun yung nararamdaman ko po sa actions ni Robin. And it helps me, it makes my work so much easier. Kasi dahil sa physical cues niya and sa actions niya, mas naitatawid namin kung ano yung gusto namin ipakita, iparating.